Fresh visuals are coming in from Moradabad, where we've seen a sensitive situation developing since the morning. Let's go across to Vijay, who has more details. Yes, Vijay.
Well, the district magistrate of Moradabad has been injured in an effort to try and disperse the mob. Now, the information that we are getting right now is that the DM was leading a group of police personnel here at Kant town in Moradabad district when stone pelters on the other side started throwing stones at him. In the process, the district magistrate of Moradabad got injured. He was bleeding from his forehead and he has been taken to the Moradabad district hospital by UP police personnel. Meanwhile, other senior police officials are present at the Kant railway station in Moradabad town. They're trying to disperse a mob of about thousands of BJP supporters who had gathered here. Now, the supporters were sitting on a railway track and they had blocked two trains, one goods train and one passenger train at the Kant railway station. After hearing the news of the trains being blocked, the DM led a contingent of UP police to disperse the mob and to allow the trains to pass. However, the mob refused to disperse. The police had to resort to firing in
लाइन पे खड़े कर जाएंगे, सब मर जाएंगे, इसे गाड़ी छोड़ दो।
Vijay, we had to interrupt you there because we were trying to get some more reactions. Of course, Vijay, you were taking us through what's been happening since the morning, and now we are, of course, looking at shots being fired in the air, and the tear gas shells have also been lobbed. Vijay, if you can hear us, could you take us through what's happening right now?
Well, as of now, you have senior UP police personnel who are here. You have UP police personnel in riot gear. They're trying to disperse the mob. Largely, the mob has been dispersed, but the situation continues to remain tense. You have the DM of Moradabad who has been taken to Moradabad city because he has been injured, while lead a group of police personnel to disperse this mob. Now, BJP supporters in large numbers had gathered at a railway track at the Kant railway station, which is Kant is a town in Moradabad district of Western UP. Now, these protesters were demanding the reinstallation of a speaker at a religious site in Naya Gaon village of Kant town in Moradabad district. After the UP administration and also the UP police and Moradabad police senior officials refused to pay heed to their demands, is when they had called for a Mahapanchayat this morning. But Section 144 was imposed, prohibitory orders was put in place, and the Mahapanchayat was not allowed to take place. In retaliation, the protesters went out of hand, started assembling at nearby places from the location of the Mahapanchayat, and when the DM reached the spot in an effort to disperse the mob and to try and control the situation, that is exactly when he had to face the ire of the mob, and they started pelting stones at him, and in the process he has been injured. He has been taken to Moradabad hospital and has been given preliminary treatment. We have visuals of him getting hurt, and he's been escorted by the UP police personnel. He was bleeding from the forehead when he was taken away from the site where he had been injured. Now, we do know that several BJP leaders had been detained earlier this morning after they were trying to lead this mob to a Mahapanchayat. You have Sangeet Soam, who is an MLA of the Bharatiya Janata Party and also an accused in the Muzaffarnagar riot case,
yes,
who has been detained by the UP police.
And Vijay, the sense one gets is that after these leaders were detained, we've seen the protests escalate further and now clearly getting violent.
Exactly. Soon after these leaders were detained is when it seems that the mob went out of hand and the mob started approaching nearby areas from the site of the Mahapanchayat because they were not allowed to go to the site of the Mahapanchayat. You had UP police personnel who had blocked all roads leading to the Mahapanchayat spot. There was picketing, there was barricading, so therefore these protesters were not allowed to assemble. However, somehow they managed to move away from the Mahapanchayat spot, but to the railway tracks. They came onto the railway tracks and they blocked two trains, Upasana Express, which is a passenger train, and another goods train that was blocked at the Kant railway station. Kant is a town in Moradabad district. On hearing the news, you had the district magistrate and other senior police officials who actually who are heading a team of UP police personnel towards the mob, and they were trying to disperse the mob. They were firing There was firing in the air by UP police personnel. They used rubber bullets. There was tear gas shells being lobbed to ensure that the mob can be dispersed. However, in retaliation, there was stone pelting from the side of the mob, and in this process, the DM has been injured. He's been giving preliminary medication at the Muradabad hospital. Situation continues to be tense here right now in Kanstan. However, UP police personnel in control as of now. They have ensured that the Kans railway station where protesters were sitting have been dispersed from that particular location. You have a lot of women who had blocked the railway tracks. They were sitting on the railway tracks and they were demanding that they will not move from the spot until and unless the administration allows them and gives permission to install the speaker back on top of the religious site where it had been originally installed. Back to you.